I want a cup of tea. I got bail.
My last video didn't record, I had it in a really cool light, and I can't get it in a really cool light.
I like sugar in my tea. I saw another nip! Bloof, bloof. Who watches these, she says? No one. No one watches these. Hey, how's it going? Pretty good. Yeah, me too. So, couldn't think of any good video ideas. I've got the blank. So I'm going to teach you how to become a dog. Pretty simple. First of all, you're gonna need a dog. This is my dog. Say hi, dog. Hi, dog. This is the dog. You're going to need one of these to become a dog. Yep. Bye, dog. Next, you're going to need a tongue. Have one of those. If you don't, you're screwed. You can't become a dog. But if you do have one of those, then you're fine. Yep. Next, you're going to need something to eat and a bowl of some sort. We have those, so I'll be fine. Yep. Next, you're going to need some ears, like this. But I don't have one of those, so I'll just use this. Cool. Do you have all the required items? Grab your dog. Once you have dog, take dog and absorb dogness. This is how you absorb dogs. Do this. Do this. And like belly rubs. Rub your own belly as well as the dog's belly and yep. Absorb the dog. Become one with the dog. Become your own dog. You've got to remember, dogs eat a lot. But not just any food. Dog food. So you've got to make sure you've got to eat it. All of it. All of it. Every single bite. All of it. Make sure that's all gone before you have any more. What do you think dogs do all day? Go to school? Go to work? Nope. They sleep all day, every day, all the time. In blankets. Dogs really like blankets a lot. So you've got to make sure you're in blankets in the dark. And the last thing to do to become a dog is stick your tongue out all the time. Even when talking, so that nobody can understand you. Because nobody understands dogs. Every day, all the time. And because that's what dogs do. That is how you become a dog. Congratulations, if you have followed these steps, you are now a dog. So, thanks for watching that. I advise you don't eat dog food unless you really like it. Yeah, if you like this video, give it one of these.